guys, my name is Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Connor and I are up bright and early on the road already. Last video I told you that we were going to be checking out a really popular lake in Rocky Mountain National Park, Lake Hayaya. There's some crazy blue color going on with the water. But we decided to bail on that. We drove a lot yesterday, and tomorrow we have a really far drive for our Halloween hike with friends. So instead, we are gonna go snowboarding today for the first time this season. Keystone opened up yesterday. And one of the main reasons we moved to where we live now is because we are much closer to the resorts. Our drive is incredible, no one's on the road. So even though the snow is not gonna be great, we're just gonna go and get some warm-ups in. Fun fact is it took me about 8 years to finally learn how to turn on my snowboard. I always just rode on my heels because my friends back in the day would throw me on a black diamond and just have me fend for myself. So last year, Connor finally taught me how to turn, and my goal this year is just to get much better now that I have figured out the basics. So yeah, gonna go get some turns in kind of on this crappy snow and see how it goes. First day of the season, baby! Again from the car. This time I am dressed up as a skeleton. I forgot to film the rest of yesterday, but we just did about 5-6 runs over at Keystone, and then we went food shopping. Where we go food shopping is only about 10 minutes or so from the resort, and then we just went home and had a mellow day. But today we are up early and headed to Golden. We're going on a Halloween hike with a bunch of our friends, and we brought the puppies today. Oh, Sansa. Sansa's excited because we just gave her pup cups and she wants more. So yeah, we'll be there soon, and let's go hiking. You guys want to go hiking? Want to go hiking? Baby wants to go hiking? Guys, we are back home, snuggled up in our pajamas right now, getting ready to watch some Stranger Things. That is our newest obsession. If you did like this video, please like and subscribe. It definitely helps big time as I am getting started. And yeah, have a good night from me and the pups.